Albert, we got mail. What's up, guys? Today's gonna be a really busy episode. There's gonna be fighter jets. There's gonna be an axe factory. We're gonna open this letter right here and mention a few words about these shirts as well. This is the first official mail time episode. So we're gonna open this letter. Do you know what it is? You wanna open it? Take your time. Here on the table so people can see. I think there's a note in there as well, right? Yep, there's a note. A couple of videos ago, here we go. A couple of videos ago, I talked about some ups and downs about the car and some things I like and some things that I don't like. And a subscriber, I hope, a viewer at least, commented and he told me that he was able to 3D print these hooks and send them to me. So Jan Vivan, thank you very, very much for this. We're gonna put them on now and see how it works. Want to do that? Yeah, you seem excited. I'm excited at least. Of course, we gotta tell what the note says. Dear Ted, here's the set of hooks. Hopefully will make life even more comfortable in your van. And I also want to send you all the money that I have. Thank you. No, it doesn't say that. Jan, I will send you a picture of how everything fit. We've now fast forwarded a little bit, so I had to cut out some pieces from these hooks. I'm sorry, I only speak English now when I'm on TV. So I cut out some pieces from the hooks in order to make them fit. I think they were originally for the T5 design, but I'll show you how it looks. And of course, everybody else. The idea is that these hooks go underneath here like so. And let's see, we move that one a little bit over here like that. And we'll take this one over there. Now, nothing says, look mom, I made it myself, like a piece of bamboo. So that's what we're gonna put on here. So the idea now is that I can hang things from this bar right here. We got these hooks as well. We're gonna try them on the other side here. And then for me, I chose to put the hooks on this side here so we can hang clothes, and I don't know what on the other side. I don't know about this one. Where do you think we should put this one? Here? Here, back here? There we go. That was good, right? About the shirts, I got them from another subscriber, so I'm very thankful for that. Mine fits great, it's a size M. Albert got a size L, so it doesn't really fit, but we're thankful anyway.
Then I find this too big.
Right. So it says adventure is out there. So yeah, thank you. A couple of weeks ago I came in contact with another subscriber and he asked me if I wanted to come up and pay him a visit, and yeah, I did that this week, and this is the story. What's up everybody? It's Sunday night, it's 8 o'clock, I just finished work. We're about to go camping. Good morning guys. So yesterday I drove for like 4 hours, then I pulled over at a gas station and fell asleep, just woke up. It's pretty cold, I think it should be like -3 or something like that in the car. I don't really know what to expect from today, so or from this trip at all, so you guys are just gonna have to learn as I learn. So right now we're gonna start the car and get to the destination, and then we'll see what happens. A good hair day. What's up, guys? For once I'm back in the woods. I'm outside Norrköping. We just hiked in last night in the snow and enjoyed that a little bit. We just stayed the night in the shelters back there. Just camped out and made a fire and the whole thing. It's pretty nice. We also went to the axe factory that's around here in Hultsfors yesterday. It was a pretty cool experience to see the whole process and see how the axes are made. Today I think we'll just enjoy the sun, and then we're gonna head on back to the cars. Then tonight we're going on a owl safari. I'll bring the camera. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film something, but we'll see. And then we're gonna spend the night in the cars. So I'm out here with a friend who also has a camper. All right, let's go. So I was just casually flying my drone here on the lake. As you can see, it's pretty wide open. I thought, hey, this is a good place to fly. Out of nowhere, 2 or 3, I think it was 3 Swedish fighter jets. I hope they were Swedish, I don't know yet. They came flying. My drone was probably at like 40 meters or something like that, 35, 40 meters, and they were flying at 50, 60 meters up. So that was well, pretty epic. Hope you get to see a little bit of it. As you can see, we're back in the cars. We're heading into town, and then we're going to prepare for tonight when we're going on the owl safari, and also yeah, staying in the cars tonight. We're at a church somewhere. We're going to see the owls, or try to see them, or I think we'll probably be just hear them. I'll bring the camera and we'll see if I can get something on film. No luck with the owls, but we got to take some pictures of the stars, so that was pretty cool. It's now about 9:30. It's pretty cold outside, as you can see. So I am going to crawl in my sleeping bag and pretty much wait for tomorrow. Good night, guys. Doesn't work. It's like -5 in the car. I'm gonna go say hi to Volkswagen again. Yep. It's now a whole lot later. I think the heater is on. It's going anyway. I don't know if it was too cold for it this morning, but yeah, I've been driving now for a while, so yeah, it's working now. I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna go in and have some lunch, and then yeah, back to civilization. Like, comment and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Or I don't get any food.
Filipino.
No, I would never do that. You want to say bye?
Bye.
All right, guys. Take care, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey,
You're not getting any food.